Hello everyone, Tom from KJP, and I thought I'd take a quick moment to look at the difference between dressed lumber that you receive and the project boards. So a project board, I have an example here in Wenge. A project board is essentially rough. At least one of the faces will be skip dressed, which means that you can see the grain. In fact, we can see the grain so that we know we're sending you a nice board. But the board is not guaranteed to be flat and square. A dressed board is. So we've taken a rough board and we put it through our machinery, and the board is essentially ready for your woodworking. Any joinery that you do in woodworking requires flat faces, parallel faces, and 90-degree angles between faces and edges. That's what dressing a board will do for you. So if you don't have access to the machinery or the time to take a rough board and make it flat and square, to dress it, then we do that for you. So that's the difference. I hope that makes it clear for you. Have a lovely day, enjoy your woodworking, and thank you for watching.